it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Bugzy Malone. Yeah, man, one of my favorite from the UK. Bugzy Malone with the Riddler, the Journal of an Evil Genius, Volume 2. Yeah. That one is like a 5-minute long, or 6-minute long video. So let's get you into it. Let's not waste any time. Guys, drop a follow, drop a sub onto the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's go. Let's get it. Are you watching closely? Read me this.
Hey, listen, yo, ayo, Bugs, you really killed it now, you're really flying. And I've been doing music too, I'm really out here trying. You know I'm still a hustler though, this Cali on my line. You relate cause you've always had that money on your mind. Ayo, Bugs, I can't believe you're really at the top. I seen that you're in films with Jason Statham and it's nuts. Do you remember being on the block punching man up? Do you remember when we had the carbon knuckles on our gloves? Ayo,
I'm getting a Stan kind of vibe. You know, Eminem and Stan. I'm getting a Stan kind of vibe from this, and it just started already. I don't know. Bugzy, this is Bugzy though, bro. Like, he's that guy. Bang.
hey, listen, yo, ayo, Bugs, you really killed it now, you're really flying. And I've been doing music too, I'm really out here trying.
Yeah.
You know I'm still a hustler though, this Cali on my line.
Yeah.
You relate cause you've always had that money on your mind.
Yeah.
Ayo, Bugs, I can't believe you're really at the top. I seen that you're in films with Jason Statham and it's nuts.
Nuts.
Do you remember being on the block punching man up? Do you remember when we had the carbon knuckles on our gloves?
Yeah.
Ayo, Bugs, I know that it's been 10 or 15 years, but remember when he punched on mum up? I was with you first. I remember sitting watching you shed 10 or 15 tears. I said we should go kill him, Bugs, but you didn't want to hear it. Yo, Bugs, I'm sure I gave you your name, remember? I called you Little Bugs after the one on Cartoon Network. They say
I'm sure I gave you the name. You remember I called it Little Bugs after the one from Cartoon Network. Yo, this is definitely giving me a Stan and like an Eminem type of vibe though. This video is fire already and it just started. I'm into it. I'm
schizophrenic cause I had a crazy temper. You Bugs, well you didn't want to hear it. Yo, Bugs, I'm sure I gave you your name, remember? I called you Little Bugs after the one on Cartoon Network. They say I'm schizophrenic cause I had a crazy temper. I hope you get this message, Bugs. Please return to sender. I can't lie.
Yeah, definitely a Stan vibe. I can't lie. This is fire, bro. And the beat is fire. Big up the production team on this one. This is fire.
The inspiration has been hella. Like you've inspired me to tell my story. I'm not jealous, I mean no disrespect. I just think I could tell it better. Like I'm the rainmaker too. I need an umbrella. I remember when you used to make sad tunes and you was broken, but you was too emotional. Man like me is frozen. Man like me is about to blow the game wide open. I'm a killer like Ben Stiller, that's my slogan.
Yeah, big up this guy that's doing the acting. Big up this guy that's doing the fucking acting. My G, I don't know your name, but big up yourself, bro. Bugzy.
And I got lost to say, I say it how I wanna say it. I can't believe you're acting like you didn't know my name. If this in you has to be the thing that will make me famous, then so be it, I'll do my bit. But don't call me a hey yo Bugs. Fuck calling you Bugs, I'll call you Aaron. You
He switched up fast because Bugs is not answering his messages. Oh my god. Sometimes the G can just be busy, bro. Like the G is very busy. He's a businessman. I mean, come on. Yo, fuck it. I ain't calling you Bugs. Your name is Aaron.
yeah, I'll do my bit, but don't call me a hey yo Bugs. Fuck calling you Bugs, I'll call you Aaron. You know you're really lucky, right? Not all of us have talent. Like why should you get Lamborghini, Bentley and McLaren? You sold your soul, all you care about's your bank balance.
This is where the bad mind chip in now. All a shot bad mind. Suck yourself. No, sir. We are go. Get back here.
You're a pagan, a pussy and your McLaren. You sold your soul, all you care about's your bank balance. You're a pagan, a pussy and a traitor. You know they say you changed the minute that you got your paper. In the hood, you know we punish that type of behavior. Fight me in a field like a real gladiator. And I know what you're thinking. You think I'm deluded. I caught you at the garage, and you knew I was fuming. We had a little fight, I bust your lip and you look wounded. You threw a couple punches, but they missed and didn't do shit. Like who's the king now, little bugs? You're not responding. I see you in the cinema, just trying to do your one thing. The fact that you're ignoring my messages is one thing. I'm sure I heard you diss me on a track back in 018. I know what you.
I said this, sir. I heard you diss me on a track in 018. Man, never diss up on the track, brother. Your mind is telling you that. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, man? Chill, dog. Like, it's not that serious. Behave yourself.
My messages is one thing. I'm sure I heard you diss me on a track back in 018. I know what you're thinking. You probably think I'm paranoid. But when your family stab you for your Rolex, you get paranoid. You probably think I'm hating, but it's not that. It's that I'm annoyed. I know you're probably looking down your nose at me like I'm a boy. Not seen you for a decade and a half. Like I knew you in the start. Like I was with you when you started spitting on the park. Like I'm the one that taught you how to spit a 16 bar. It's me that taught you how to fight. You're just acting hard. Aye. And I got lost to say. I say it how I wanna say it. I can't believe you're acting like you didn't know my name. If this in you has to be the thing that will make me famous, then so be it. I'll do my bit, but don't call me a hey yo Bugs. I heard your recent track, I have a question. I'm not trying to take away from all of your progression. I could be wrong, but it felt like there was an accusation. If you're saying I'm a killer, then you're playing with my patience. Like I'm doing alright, Bugs. I pull mine down. I trim my leaves off and flood my town. Like I don't even blaze weed, even though I'm high now. On one extra, all I ever hear is wild out. I prefer your...
Yeah, this is hard as fuck, brother. This is fire, bro.
Old stuff, I think your new ones are whack. Do you seriously think that you put money on the map? Come on, even though I'm high now. On one extra, all I ever hear is wild out. I prefer your old stuff, I think your new ones are whack.
I prefer your old stuff. I think your new ones are whack. Nah, Bugs is bad all around, brother. All on you. Suck yourself. Suck yourself.
Extra, all I ever hear is wild out. I prefer your old stuff, I think your new ones are whack. Do you seriously think that you put money on the map? Come to think about it, I'm the one that taught you how to rap. It's me that taught you everything. I should have been your dad. You're a little bastard, Bugs. I know the police could never catch you. You're celebrating. I'm surprised there hasn't been a statue. But they don't know the real Bugs, cause you're just acting brand new. And they don't understand the hustle, they don't know we had to. You're not really...
What the fuck is he gonna do now? He's drunk right now. What am I gonna know? You're drunk with speed and a shovel in the hand and dig up backyard now. What you do now?
My Bugs, your gun didn't have bullets. You didn't shoot nobody, you weren't repping to the fullest. Rumor has it before you went jail.
He's digging up his thing from the back. Bro, at least you should wrap it in some plastic though. Wrap it in some plastic or some car tire tube or something. You understand? Wrap it. Don't ask me how me know. Don't ask me how me know about them something then. Let's go.
You didn't shoot nobody, you weren't repping to the fullest. Rumor has it before you went jail, you got bullied. Speaking of rumors, let me squash it. Okay, so for the record, it wasn't me that killed that little rapper. Come on, Bugs. Whoever told you that he shot in my car? And if it was that little lizard, he's a rat. He robs his own people, anything he says he's cut. For the record, when you put it on my toes, I wasn't ready. Even though that jail food had you looking kinda heavy, I was never scared. I was really chilling, watching telly.
Yo, the video is 4 minutes and 9 seconds, and Bugs is just making his first appearance in the video. This is crazy, like, this is mad.
Ready now, I'll keep shooting till the clip's empty. If I killed him, don't you think I would be caught by now? Like, don't you think he would be in my thoughts right now? Yeah, I'm smoking weed cause I'm about to go lie down and think about the day I get to hold my crown. See, I'ma do a Bugzy Malone to the so-called king of the north, cause that's my throne. And I don't care, you're 10 projects in, you know music's my thing, and I'm about to blow. I remember when you used to make sad tunes and you was broken, but you was too emotional. Man like me is frozen. Man like me is about to blow the game wide open. I'm a killer like Ben Stiller, that's my slogan. And I got lots to say, I say it how I wanna say it. I can't believe you're acting like you didn't know my name. If this in you has to be the thing that will make me famous, then so be it, I'll do my bit, but don't call me a hater.
Fuck it.
What's the beat? Just some crazy.
Bugs is getting crazy messages now. Oh my days.
I get crazy DMs, you know. I swear, Tom.
Yo, reply,
Haters.
Yo, Bugzy, you fucking monkey. You could accuse man of killing man by accident. You get me? As if it was me that killed my man, you fucking. Yo, reply, bro. Reply, bro, you little fucking shit bag. Yeah, that's it. You little punk bag king of the north. I'll show you the real fuck.
Bugs is living his life, bro. Yeah. Anywhere you go, you're gonna see him in your face. Bugs is living his life, bro. Bugs has made it, bro. Like, directed by Bugzy Malone. Yo. Theo Johnson, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Epic. That's epic. EP coming soon. Yes, sir. Definitely be doing a reaction to that. Yo. Bugs. Oh, my God. What can I say about this guy, man? This guy. This is the reason why he's one of my favorites from the UK, bro. Literally. Him and Chip cannot put a foot wrong for me. Yo, jeez. Bugsy is a genius. Bugsy is a genius. I'm gonna end this reaction now and go watch it again, bro. Cause this is crazy. I know a lot of stuff went over my head. I let it go over my head on purpose because I didn't want to keep stopping and talking about it. So I let it run. I let it run as much as I can without stopping or going back. But yo, this is fucking fire, bro. Bugsy has set the tone, bro. The Journal of an Evil Genius, Volume 2. Bugsy has set the tone. With this EP, I'm expecting nothing but fire from this, bro. Nothing but fire. With this one, this is the first one drop. Oh my God. I'm gonna go. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Well,
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.